In this part, we will talk about creating a dynamic block that can be aligned along a line when inserted. First, let's convert these objects to a block. Click Create Block command in the ribbon, type a name for the block. Click Pick Point button to pick insertion base point in the current drawing. Then click Select Object button and select Objects. Enter. OK, next double-click this block and click OK to open the block editor. Select the alignment parameter in the ribbon parameters panel. I'm going to enable Object Track, Polo Track, and right-click the Object Snap icon to check midpoint option. Then move the cursor along this line. Find the midpoint of the line. Don't click on it, just move the cursor upper. A green dashed line appears. And then snap the cursor to this point. Move to the left. Click on the point where these two dashed lines intersect as the base point of alignment. And specify the alignment direction. OK, let's close Block Editor. Yes. Now select the handrail dynamic block and click the alignment grip. You can see when I move the cursor to lines, it will automatically align to them.